Kisumu County health workers have given a 30-day strike notice to the county government should they fail to address their grievances. They want the county government to address issues on promotion of healthcare workers, staff shortages, irregular and discriminatory terms of employment, and issues of supply of pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical products to facilities. Now, led by Kisumu County Branch Kuco Secretary Cyrus Odhiambo and Chairman Vincent Owaa, they have threatened to down their tools after the period of the notice elapses should the county government fail to address their outstanding issues. On the other end, Kiambu County health workers today are scheduled to have a peaceful demonstration from Kiambu Level 5 Hospital to the County Assembly and to the Governor's office to register their discontent and present a memorandum detailing issues that the county government needs to act on immediately to avoid further action.
Yeah.
Number 4, unpaid 2021 January and February salaries to a section of healthcare workers. Following, for reasons only known by the executive of Kisumu County, in particular, the current CEC Health, formerly the Chief Officer of Health and the County Attorney, the county government of Kisumu have refused to pay salaries for the month of January and February salaries to a section of healthcare workers, despite the Labour office pronouncing itself on this matter and directing the county to pay these salaries by last year. We therefore demand that Kisumu County pay these salaries not later than the month of February this year, and we demand for the payment of our salaries for this January not later than Thursday this week. Convert all the current contracted staffs into permanent and pensionable, and we further employment should be done according to the SRC guidelines with all accrued gratuities. Failure to meet these demands, we are going to be left with no any other option but to seek redress using the law, and that include industrial actions as soon as possible and not later than in 1 month's time. So we are calling, in short, what we are saying, that if these things are not met, then we are going to go on a strike. There is no pharmaceuticals like gloves or even syringes to give injections. Healthcare workers have been turned into shop attendants whose only roles are to direct patients to go buy this and that and that. We are no longer providing services, but we have not tools for trade.
Go to Vihiga, our neighbor here. The people are being confirmed, but in Kisumu, we are being taken round the circles. In fact, people are being told that they signed this document that your facility in charge approves your name so that your contract can be renewed. You reapply for another 3 years. Remember, these people have worked for 3 years with low salary and under low morale. Now they are being told, instead of being confirmed as the governor promised, a document has been introduced to perpetuate corruption. And I say this very clearly because this document is meant to perpetuate corruption.